Okay guys, this is the third video in my efforts to build a virtual pinball machine. Today we're going to start working on putting together the PC. So let's get started. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm going to walk myself through it. Okay, so I guess I'm going to take the motherboard out of here. But first, let's get the processor out as well. They don't make these very easy to get out. There's a processor itself. That looks pretty cool. Okay, so have more of the motherboard here. Got the processor here. So now we're gonna open up. Probably can't see this. Sorry, I don't have fancy camera skills. This is just enough that I can do now. So there's a little socket area here where there's a lift bar. You just move it to the side, lift it up. So we're gonna take the CPU out, and I've been instructed never to touch the top, just touch the sides. Sides are fine, but never touch the top. And so what you're going to do is place the golden triangle. You probably can't see it. There's a little small golden triangle here. You match it with the triangle on the socket of the motherboard. So I am doing that now. I feel like I'm playing the game Operation. My wife just made a comment, "Don't touch the sides." So it's on there. It just falls right in there, and then you take the little lever and you push it back down. You'll feel a little pressure, but that's okay. And you put it back into place, and that should lock it down. Alright, processor installed. Let's go. Next step. Alright, so I'm attempting to get the fan ready because I bought a different fan to go on there, because I know how hot it's gonna get inside of the CPU, or inside the cabinet, excuse me. So it's a lot of reading, trying to figure things out. Okay, so looking at my manual here, I'm going to be installing the RAM now. So have to pay attention to which slot it actually goes into. Looks like it's A2 and B2 is what I am sliding this into. So hopefully that works out right. Awesome. Boom, got it. Alright, let's see what's next. Okay. So now we're going to try to figure out how to get this motherboard into this case. So let's see what we got to do. Fit this in. This is the I don't know what it's called, but it's a little back piece where all like the HDMI cables and everything go to the tower to connect to the motherboard. So I didn't realize that my camera stopped recording, or actually didn't, well, it stopped recording, but also lost battery power. And so since I was in like the stride, I didn't want to stop. But good news, it is ready to go. I built my first PC. Now that I've done that, I will never not build my own PC again. It was a lot less complicated than I thought it was going to be. So let's go check it out. Okay, so here we are. It's nice and quiet. Like I said, those fans were on sale, and they're the RGB ones, so it's pretty cool to see them synchronized and everything. Super quiet. So let's undo the case and let you guys take a look inside. Okay, so the cool thing about this is that, get the focus here. Oops. I think that's focused. Okay. So the cool thing about not having a bunch of extra drives that you'll need is it's pretty clean in there. I mean, no cables. I mean, you can see one here, but that's the one that came with the power supply. But other than that, I mean, it's just really clean in there. There's not a whole lot of extra wires just hanging about. Plenty of room with plenty of good ventilation. Fans up here, the aftermarket fan that I put on there. Good ventilation back here, up top, and then also underneath there's another vent on the bottom. So plenty of cooling for the PC. Super excited. I was very happy. I did do the Windows, we can't see that, but anyways, I did the Windows off of eBay. It's like $5 that you can get Microsoft Windows off of eBay right now for like $5. So that is it for the PC build. Once again, turned out really well. Now I'm just going to start working on the cabinet. We'll see you guys next time.